Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel AM Gravis. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can get your daily income with Roque. But before I get the tutorial started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel in order to be updated in our next video. Now, the first thing here is to move to Roque. I believe every one of us will have the app with us. So we move to the Roque. Now you supply your fingerprints. Yes, this is how you make your daily income. For instance, this is Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and Litecoin, and TRS, and so many here. But what I do is this. For instance, now look at this price of Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin here. Have you seen that? That is 22,775,171 naira 20 kobo. So this morning now, immediately I sometimes I will buy 2,000, I will buy 5,000. Immediately I buy it, I just buy it like that, and I will be looking at it. I have to hold my phone, everything. I have bought this one. I'm looking for the change. Immediately this price changed from 22 to 23, or it moved to 22 million to 900 plus. I sell it immediately. To sell is very easy. To sell is very easy here. So you have to you have to press the sell button here. So it's very easy to do that. Aside from that, and Ethereum, also USDT, Litecoin, all this one I bought it together. Sometimes I may buy Bitcoin 1,000 or 2,000, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, and and all this one. You can see this one also. You can see this one also, TRS. All this one I will just buy it. Immediately I buy it, I would now be at alert, and we're looking at the price change. Immediately the price just increase a little bit, I sell it. When I sell it, that is how I make my daily income. For instance, now look at this TRS. TRS is 35 naira 90 kobo. So you can see I have already bought the amount of 500 naira down, and I'm expecting this price to change to 38 or 36. I don't waste my time because I have a daily target. Immediately it changed, I just I press the sell button directly. I press the sell button and I'll sell it. That is how I did for everything here, whether Litecoin, whether USDT. I can see my USDT also. You can see the one I have here. I can see that I'm still expecting this price to increase. Immediately the price increase, I will just press the sell button and sell it directly. For you to be confirmed, you can see my transaction here. You can see all this one I just bought. This one, this is February 18. USDC purchase fees. You can see all this one, and you can see how I sold. All this one is purchase, and you can see how I started selling them. When I sell, you can see this one sold. See this one also sold. I sold it, I sold it, I bought it. So every day I make 1,000 naira. I make sure that I make 1,000 naira, and then 1,000 naira in a month, is just 30,000 naira. So all this one, if you are be able to be doing all this, there's no how you will not get daily money with Roque. So if you find this tutorial useful, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Peace.